I just cleaned this area yesterday with another vac, and I ran this Dream D10 Pro over the same area just now, and it found some more dirt. And it did it in 37 minutes, so of course it works. I tried the camera out, pretty cool. You can see underneath your couch, which is a view you don't get very often. Right now it's charging. It charges pretty fast. It went from 37% to 61% in maybe about an hour. And then I couldn't wait for 100%, so I started it out and did this area here on the zone, just on this one zone of the living room area, the kitchen area. But ostensibly it's a bare floor, but it still found a lot of dirt, even after vacuuming with another vac.